Hey everybody! Today we're going to be making a rustic or farmhouse centerpiece, or you could use it for like a spring wedding outside. All I did was I bought a crate from Joann Fabrics, or you could get them from Michael's. They're like between $7 to $10. You can use a coupon to get them on sale. But yeah, I got the crate from there, and then I put some craft foam in the bottom and I covered the foam with some burlap ribbon, just to kind of camouflage and give it some more detail. And then these roses or long stem artificial roses that I got from Michael's, I ordered them online, and it was a box of I think it was 12 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I ordered them from Michael's online, but they have them in store if you just want to go ahead and pick them up. And I'm just sticking the roses inside the craft foam to hold them and stabilize them. I wanted something with some height because I was replacing the big P that I usually have, the big metal letter P that I usually have. If you watch my videos, you know what I'm talking about. I wanted to replace that. I actually had the P sitting in this crate, surrounded by the burlap and some more items or whatever, but I decided to change it up a little bit, and I'm using these roses. And again, I wanted some height, so that's why I have the long stem roses, and I think it looks really good. This will be great, like I said, for like a spring outside wedding, a sort of country themed wedding or bridal shower or something like that. I just like this. I think it's really nice and simple. But yeah, it's gonna go on my fireplace hearth in the kitchen. So yeah, and I wanted neutral colors. I didn't want anything out there. So yeah, I'm using the roses right now. And I'm just trying to get them you know kind of falling the way that I want them to go. And it's working out pretty good. So yeah. And now I'm just fluffing the burlap. And projects like this, I like to kind of take apart and redo and recycle things. So that's the good part about it. Nothing's permanent. Now I'm going to take some hydrangeas that I got from Dollar Tree. They're just the white or the off-white kind of hydrangea bushes, and I'm just sticking those around the bottom to add some more detail and fullness. And you can use whatever kind of flowers you want to use. I'm just using these, like I said, neutral colors, because that's kind of what I wanted in this space, because I have red is an accent color, and I didn't want anything competing with that red in the kitchen area. So yeah, but I'm just putting the hydrangea bushes in there. I'm not cutting anything apart. I'm just using them as they are. And I actually could use a few more, but the one I only got, I think it was 6 bushes, and I could stand a couple more, but this worked out pretty good, so I'm happy with it. And this, again, this is great for just spring decor too. You can go all the way through summer, fall if you want to. I just wanted something that, like I said, will go with everything neutral. And now you can see where I put the hydrangeas and everything. And again, I'm just adjusting the burlap. And I like how that rustic look of the burlap looks with the elegance of a rose, and the hydrangeas, by them being white and all. They look really good together. So yeah, I really like how this turned out. And I'm going to attach, or insert, should I say, a picture at the end so you can see how it looks all finished and everything. But yeah, I really like this. And if you want to see more videos like this, please comment below. I'm going to try my best to bring some more to you. I'm taking my time to do some decorating around the house, and I've got some projects coming. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Bye.